Guys, I am scared to make this announcement, but I know I have to. It's a huge announcement that is going to shake the life insurance industry up and most importantly provide an incredible opportunity for you. So let's get down to it. I am here to announce that 2026, I am officially, as of now, launching Legacy Family Life Brokerage, okay? What does that mean? How is that gonna help you? And what does that look like, okay? Over the last 3.5 years, this has been some of the hardest times in my life, paving the way to change a broken life insurance industry. And over the last 3 years, we have been able to achieve something incredible. And we've just focused on getting real results. Over the last 3.5 years, we've done over $20 million in premium sales. We've done over 20,000 policies sold, and with a number of only 45 agents. And how have we done that? And it comes down to one word. It comes down to system. And we've gotten over 3,400 5-star real Google reviews because we're here to help and serve people. And what I'm about to announce to you is that you can now officially get access to, plug into, and basically shortcut your path to success with all of our winning tools, because I am going to hand you the keys, the playbook to the exact system that has helped us do over $20 million in sales with just 45 agents. No more waiting, asking Peter, can I get your leads? No more waiting saying, Peter, how are you training your agents? No more waiting to say, hey, Peter, what's your script? No more waiting saying, hey, Peter, can I work with you because I want to make sure you can listen to my calls and help me out? No more. We have now given a turnkey proven system that we have grind, blood, sweat, and tears to prove that it works. We've gotten the results, and now it's time to change this life insurance industry. I'm tired of life insurance agents failing, great agents, because they have the talent, they have the skills, but they were plugged into the wrong system. And what I'm gonna share with you is the details, and something I'm really proud of is that I can share this very confidently, that you no longer have to do this industry alone. No more trying to chase lead vendors, figure out your own marketing. No more wondering how you're gonna sell or how to get better at selling. No more trying to rebuild everything from scratch. No more trying to pick the best dialer, going from this dialer to that dialer, to changing this system, to going after that product. No more trying to figure it out all alone. None of that. And no more worrying about your training. Guys, all of the pain, all of the sleepless nights that I've gone to was carved out to give you a system that can help you put food on your table, truly earn 6 figures, and make more money than you ever thought as a life insurance agent. And you can finally do that at Legacy Family Life. Now, what do you get inside of this system? You don't just get, an opportunity. You get the playbook. You get our exact leads. You get our exact training. I train you. You get our exact dialers, CRM scripts, our customer service team, our back end, our retention team, our dial, everything that has helped our agents sell 30, 40, 50, even $70,000 of premium. That is in a turnkey system. And the key is this. When you learn more about this opportunity, it's a high commission opportunity. I have a guarantee that no other agency would ever offer. I give you the exact leads and systems. We have the lowest lead costs possible. We even give you free leads to start. There's just so much I can go on and on. And I can basically guarantee that we will provide you the highest compensation in this industry. No one's gonna start your comp this high because we care about the agent and we wanna give you the tools that actually make money. And I'm just so fired up because we have 4 ways to make money here. Not just one, but we have 4. The first way to make money is through personal sales. We'll teach you, give you the systems, teach you how to sell 30, 40, 50K AP with all our winning systems. Secondly, we have an override model where we will actually, check this out, I will bring people in. I will qualify them. I will hire them. I will train them. I will make sure they're a good fit, because we don't hire everyone. We only hire winners, and we will then place those winners under your team so that you can win as well. I will build a team for you. You don't have to recruit. We don't need you to. Third is that we have an opportunity where you can actually earn money by training people. And the fourth opportunity that we have here that no other agency would ever offer is an opportunity with equity. As we build, as we grow, we're looking for partners that want to be with us at the end so that we can scale and even exit long-term. And everyone who builds with us can have a seat at the table, that can have that generational wealth plan because they believe in this logo, Legacy Family Life. I want to be clear. You're not just an agent here. You're a business partner here. And this is not an MLM or a pyramid scheme. We are only bringing on the best agents, and we only bring on a few, 15, 20 every single month. I get 20 to 30 people that apply to work with me every single day, and I'm literally going to only hire winners. So if you're not a winner, you won't be here. If you're not someone who's hardworking, hungry, who wants to win, who wants to be a part of a culture that excellence is required, we're not the right company for you. We're not just gonna say, oh yeah, come on in, because I actually care about your success. I care about you putting food on your table. I have to guarantee you make a sale in 14 days. I have guarantees that are in place that no other agency will ever offer, because I need you to win and make money by selling life insurance, not just recruit you and watch you fail out. This is the place to be. The time is finally here. And if you want to shortcut your way to success, you want to get trained by me, you want everything that works, the time is now. Click learn more in the description, apply, and I'll see you on interview. Let's rock and roll, and I'm so stoked to share this with you. Cheers.